We're excited to tell you about the healthy options available in our new Parks Pantry. You'll note in the back corner of our Region 10 cafe that we now offer dozens of fresh, delicious food and beverage choices, all available to you anytime you're on our Abrams campus. View nutrition and calorie facts before you purchase. After making your selection, scan your item at the kiosk. It accepts debit or credit cards as well as Apple Pay. If using cash, you may insert bills into the kiosk and load the amount on a Parks Pantry key tag by first scanning a key tag located on the upper right of the kiosk and providing your name and email address. It's important to know that the machine will not provide change, so any unused balance on your key tag will be available for use at a later time on your next visit to Region 10. Thank you for listening to this message, and we hope you enjoy your new Parks Pantry.